In today's notes, you're going to be modeling with quadratic functions. Now this first sheet is just a handout with steps to get you through. Step 1, you are going to be given 3 points. These 3 points are going to be on a U-shaped graph. You don't have to plot them, but they would be on a U-shaped graph. You will need to plug those 3 points in for x and y and ax squared, and y equals. And y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. You'll plug in for x, you'll plug in for x, and you'll plug in for y. You might be able, when you plug these in, you might get an answer. If so, you're going to skip to a step, but I don't know what step it is. I'll figure it out. You will need to solve for one of the variables, which will be a, b, or c, in one of the 3 equations. You're going to substitute what you get in step 3 when you solve for one of the variables into the other 2 equations from step 2. This will now make your 3 equations down to 2 equations. We've done this. You take 3 equations, 3 variables, and make it down to 2 equations, 2 variables. Step 5. Use linear combination just like we used to last chapter, or substitution to solve for one of the variables in the last step. So we went to 3 equations with 3 variables to 2 equations with 2 variables to 1 equation with 1 variable. Number 6, once you get the answer from step 5, substitute that back into one of the equations from step 4. So if you have, let's see, we're down here in step 6, you're going to go to step 6 here. So put a 6 in that blank. Flip over. 7, you should now have 2 answers, one from step 5 and one from step 6. You don't have to, but I find it easiest to take those and plug them back into the equation from step 3. You should now be all done. Write your equation as a quadratic, and y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And now you're going to fill in for a, b, and c, and you're all done. Oh, go back over. I was clever. This should be 3a. Looks like I made you a new set of directions, so go to step 3a. And then just follow along. It's pretty much the same steps. You're going to go from having an answer and you'll plug back in. 6a is the same thing. You'll finish it, and y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. But that's just if you get an answer at the very beginning. If you don't get an answer from the very beginning, go to normal step 3. If you do get an answer at the very beginning, go to step 3a.